All right, and moving on, in a push to strengthen security cooperation in the Bay of Bengal region, India is hosting the BIMSTEC National Security Chiefs meeting in New Delhi. While National Security Advisor Ajay Doval is chairing the meeting, bringing together security chiefs from the 7 BIMSTEC member countries, including India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Thailand. While the BIMSTEC Security Summit comes against the backdrop of a changing global security landscape, with rising geopolitical tensions, supply chain disruptions and new age security threats. Addressing the meeting, NSA Ajay Doval said the disruption of global supply chains has created economic pressures for all countries and added that making collective efforts and mutual consultation, they are more important now than ever.
There is an urgent need for us to collaborate, take decisive actions for our mutual benefit, and find solutions through mutual discussions and deliberations to the vexed problems that we are all facing. Excellencies, BIMSTEC brings together two of the most significant and vibrant regions of the Indian Ocean together. We are home to 1.7 billion people, almost 22% of the world population, with a combined GDP of nearly $5 trillion.
Well, for India, Doval said that the BIMSTEC reflects the government's commitment to the neighbourhood first policy, the Act East approach and the Mahasagar vision for mutual and holistic advancement. Ahead of the summit, NSA Doval held a series of bilateral talks with senior security officials from member countries, including his counterpart from Malaysia and Thailand. The discussions focused on strengthening maritime security, intelligence sharing and counter-terrorism operation.